Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where we bring to you some of the latest and most important cryptocurrency news today. If you like such content, please consider liking this video, smashing that subscribe button, and dropping a comment in the comment section. Without wasting any time, let us get into today's cryptocurrency news. Before we take a look at everything that is happening in the crypto market, let's first hop onto the crypto bubbles. If we take a look at some of the other coins out there, we can see that some coins are in the green and some are in the red. XRP is one of the coins in red, as it is in the red and down by 9.4%, while other coins like Solana are in the green with Solana up by 16.3%. If we look at the king of the coins, which is the Bitcoin, we can see that we are currently sitting at $46,161.87 and is down 0.67% as of at the time of recording this. If we look at the market sentiment today, we can see that the market is calm as market sentiment is neutral. Last month on this day, there was extreme fear in the market, but currently, the market sentiments are neutral. First up in crypto news today, we continue to look into the rumors going around involving tech giants Apple. In yesterday's cryptocurrency news video, we mentioned the rumors that are swirling around that tech giant Apple is planning on embracing crypto and might be considering crypto as a payment method. New rumors are emerging that supposedly Apple is set to announce a $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase. As I said in yesterday's video, all this right now remains rumors, and nobody knows for sure if this is true or not. But if this turns out to be true, I think this could be big for the digital currency space. I think this would create a domino effect in the sense that we could see other big corporations and institutions also embracing digital currency. All this remains rumors, as I already mentioned, and all will be revealed at the Miami Bitcoin Conference starting on the 6th of this month. Moving swiftly along onto other news, we take a look at what is going on in the UK. UK Treasury intends to regulate some stable coins in the not-so-distant future. The Treasury has announced that it will regulate some cryptocurrencies as part of a wider plan to make the UK a hub for digital payment companies. Stablecoins will become recognized forms of payment to give people confidence in using digital currencies, said Treasury. Chancellor Rishi Sunak said, "We want to see the cryptocurrency businesses of tomorrow and the jobs they create here in the UK, and by regulating effectively we can give them the confidence they need to think and invest long-term." I think slowly but surely, cryptocurrencies and all altcoins will be regulated at one point or the other, which in my humble opinion is a good thing. I also think that there are too many people sitting on the sideline and afraid to embrace digital currency because of the lack of regulation. I think this is a good thing for the UK, and I think the UK has the potential to be the hub for crypto because they seem to realize the potential that cryptocurrency has, and hence they are embracing it. That is it for some of the crypto news for today. I will be back tomorrow with more crypto news. Please don't forget to drop a like on the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel and turn the post notification icon on so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. That's it for today, and let's us meet tomorrow again. Goodbye.